Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Jason Wehrli with Wehrli Custom Fab. Today we have our 17 to 19 L5P Duramax 4-inch intake kit. The first part of our 4-inch high flow intake kit for the L5P, we have our aluminum fabricated airbox, which sits right in the same location as the factory unit. We do have it open to the fender as well as the bottom for additional airflow to the filter. Both the front, back, and engine side are shielded off to keep the engine heat away from that air filter. We designed the lid of our airbox to use our double bulb seal, which connects to the hood, so that when the hood is closed, the intake does function with the OEM ram air feature, just like factory. Inside of the airbox, we have our high flow 4-inch air filter. This is a dry paper air filter with an outerwear's pre-filter cover. The outerwear's covers are water repellent and help keep a large debris from clogging up the pleats of the filter. Those are washable, while the filter itself, after you've blown it out with compressed air a couple times, it is meant to be a disposable replacement style air filter. The 4-inch air filter connects to our 4-inch high flow 14 gauge aluminum intake pipe. With mass airflow sensor location strategically placed. We've done a lot of testing both on the flow bench, on the dyno, and driving the vehicles to get these intakes to work properly without tuning and no engine lights, and not dealing with any poor performance due to improperly placed mass airflow sensor. The intake pipe then connects to the intake horn via our silicone 4-inch boot with stainless steel T-bolt clamps. And one last item of the kit will be our rubber seal that goes around the airbox connection for the pipe to keep the pipe from rubbing against the aluminum airbox. So that wraps up our 4-inch high flow intake kit for the 17 to 19 L5P Duramax. Like all of our other product, they are available with many powder coat finish options. We've got 35 standard colors on the website, and with a custom upcharge fee, you can choose from several hundred other colors as well. So thanks again for tuning in. I'm Jason Wehrli. If you got any questions on the kit or any of the other components that we offer for the L5P, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to us on social media. Thanks a lot for watching.